Greeting viewers. 12 Unexpected Benefits of Baking Soda. Baking soda is a common baking ingredient that is also known as sodium bicarbonate or bicarbonate of soda. Bread, cakes, muffins, and cookies have a light, fluffy texture because of it. That's because it contains leavening characteristics, which means it combines with an acid like vinegar or lemon juice to produce carbon dioxide, which helps the dough to rise. Apart from cooking, baking soda has a range of other purposes in the home. Here are 12 health benefits and uses of baking soda. 1. Teeth whitener. Baking soda is a common home remedy for tooth whitening. Many studies have revealed that toothpaste with baking soda is more effective than toothpaste without baking soda at whitening teeth and eliminating plaque. This is most likely due to baking soda's moderate abrasive characteristics, which allow it to disrupt the connections between molecules that discolor your teeth. It also possesses antibacterial and antimicrobial characteristics, which might aid in the battle against dangerous microorganisms. 2. Deodorant. Human perspiration, surprisingly, has no odor. Sweat only develops an odor after bacteria in your armpits breaks it down. These bacteria turn your perspiration into acidic waste products, which are responsible for the odor. Although there is minimal evidence on whether this technique works, baking soda is frequently used as a natural deodorant to remove sweat's odor by making its scents less acidic. To make homemade deodorant, dab baking soda into your armpits or combine it with a little coconut oil, shea butter, or cornstarch. 3. Air freshener. Not all commercial air fresheners are effective in removing smells. Instead, some just emit scent molecules that cover up other odors. Furthermore, only around 10% of air fresheners have an ingredient list. If you're allergic to chemicals present in air fresheners, this can be an issue. Baking soda, which is devoid of industrial chemicals and neutralizes odor particles, is a safe alternative to commercial air fresheners. To make an air freshener using baking soda, gather the following ingredients. A small jar. 1/3 cup, 74 grams, of baking soda. 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oils. A piece of cloth or paper. A string or ribbon. Fill the container with baking soda and aromatic oils. Place it in your living room, bedroom, bathroom, or kitchen after covering it with a towel or paper and securing it with thread. Give the container a good shake when the aroma starts to diminish. 4. A cleaner for the kitchen. Baking soda is a fantastic kitchen cleaner because of its flexibility. It may also help limit the growth of dangerous germs like mold or bacteria when combined with an acid such as lemon juice or vinegar. To use baking soda in your kitchen, form a paste using equal parts baking soda and lemon juice, and a little water. Using a sponge or towel, apply the paste to the chosen surface and clean thoroughly. Baking soda may be used to clean the following kitchen appliances, products, and surfaces: ovens, stained coffee cups, stained marble, grease stains, kitchen tiles, clogged drains, tarnished silver, microwaves, countertops. 5. Multipurpose bathroom cleaner. Bathrooms, like kitchens, may be challenging to keep clean. They have a range of surfaces that you use on a regular basis and hence must be cleaned often. While there are a variety of commercial bathroom cleaners available, many consumers choose more natural, cost-effective cleaning alternatives. Baking soda is useful since it whitens and disinfects a variety of washroom surfaces, albeit it is ineffective compared to industrial cleaners. Baking soda can be used to clean the following surfaces: tiles for the bathroom, toilets, showers, bathtubs, sinks in the bathroom. Using baking soda and a little water, make a paste. Rub the mixture well over the area you want to clean with a sponge or a cloth, then wash it off with a damp cloth 15 to 20 minutes later. 6. May improve exercise performance. Baking soda, often known as sodium bicarbonate, is a popular supplement among sports. Baking soda has been shown in several studies to help you perform at your best for longer, especially during anaerobic activities, high-intensity training, and sprinting. Your muscle cells produce lactic acid during high-intensity exercise, which is responsible for the burning sensation you experience when exercising. Lactic acid also causes your muscles to weary by lowering the pH inside your cells. Due to its high pH, baking soda may help postpone tiredness, allowing you to exercise at maximum intensity for longer. According to one research, cyclists who took baking soda exercised for 4.5 minutes longer than those who did not. This supplement, according to one evaluation, may be helpful when taken in quantities of 0.13 grams per pound, 0.3 grams per kilogram, of body weight. A dosage of 135 milligrams of baking soda per pound of body weight, 297 milligrams per kilogram, 1 to 2 hours before exercise is recommended in another research. 7. May relieve itchy skin and sunburns. After insect bites or bee stings, a baking soda bath is frequently prescribed to relieve itching skin. Additionally, baking soda may aid in the relief of itchy skin caused by sunburns. Some individuals believe that combining it with other things like cornstarch and oats makes it more effective. To prepare a baking soda bath, fill a lukewarm bath with 1 to 2 cups, 220 to 440 grams, of baking soda. Make sure the afflicted region is completely wet. Make a paste with baking soda and a little water for certain regions, then apply a thick coating to the afflicted area. 8. May improve certain cancer treatments. In the United States, cancer is the second largest cause of death. Chemotherapy, a chemical cocktail that slows or prevents the development of cancer cells, which normally proliferate and divide at a high rate, is frequently used to treat it. According to certain studies, baking soda can help chemotherapy medications work better by reducing the acidity of the tumor environment. However, human research is required because the existing data is restricted to animal and test tube investigations. If you're receiving cancer treatment, talk to your doctor before adding baking soda to your chemotherapy regimen. 9. Canker sores may be relieved. Small, painful ulcers that occur within your mouth are known as canker sores. Canker sores, unlike cold sores, do not occur on the lips and are not communicable. Although further research is needed, some earlier studies show that using baking soda mouthwash might help with canker sore discomfort. Using the recipe from the last chapter, you may produce a baking soda mouthwash. Rinse your mouth once a day with this combination until the canker sore has healed. 10. Freshen your smelly shoes. Directly into your shoes, sprinkle baking soda. To disperse the powder, shake the shoes around. Allow for a minimum of 24 hours for the baking soda to absorb the odor. Alternatively, you may stuff your shoes with baking soda sachets. 11. Gently exfoliate the skin. Baking soda exfoliates damaged skin, revealing a new layer beneath. Using baking soda and water, make a thick paste. To exfoliate the skin, rub gently in a circular manner. Apply the paste 2 or 3 times a day for 3 to 4 minutes before washing it off. It will soften and smooth your skin. 12. Get rid of dandruff. Baking soda exfoliates the scalp and aids in the removal of dandruff particles. To a cup of lukewarm water, add 2 to 3 teaspoons baking soda. Combine all of the ingredients in a bowl and apply to your scalp. Leave it on for a minute or 2 after gently massaging it in. After that, you can shampoo your hair as usual. Baking soda is a versatile substance with many uses outside of cooking. When it comes to cleaning and neutralizing smells, this home essential excels, since it removes stubborn stains, eliminates bad odors, and cleans tricky places like the oven, microwave, and tile grout. Baking soda also provides a number of health advantages. It may, for example, relieve heartburn, improve athletic performance, and even whiten teeth. Baking soda is very affordable and readily available. It's never a bad idea to keep a container on hand. What more baking soda benefits do you have in mind that hasn't been mentioned? Let us know in the comments section below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more secrets and tips, subscribe to the channel. There are 2 more videos you should see, both of them will undoubtedly assist you to achieve your goals. See you in our next video.